guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a fantastic Monday, just a great day overall. Whether you guys are home, whether you guys are working, whatever that may be. I hope you guys are having a great and healthy and safe day, week, month, all that stuff. Okay, so welcome back. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Natasha. This is my channel called Hidden Beauty by Tosh. This is where I record makeup videos, some advice videos, test videos, hauls, try on, a bunch of stuff that I still haven't even uploaded yet. I just started this channel up 3 weeks ago, like maybe almost a month ago. So I still have a lot of things that I'm gonna be obviously uploading. So whatever I named, I might not have uploaded yet, but that stuff is coming, and I'm super, super excited. Now, anyways, to continue, as you guys can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be testing out cheap Amazon makeup. Yes, cheap Amazon makeup. That's what I'm going to be doing now, testing out cheap Amazon makeup. Now, when I say like makeup, I want to be very clear. I don't want this to be like clickbait. I bought one product off of Amazon. Well, I bought two products, but the one product has actually been in my videos and stuff, but I will explain that product as well. But the main thing that I have not recorded about is an eyeshadow palette that I bought off of Amazon. I cannot remember the price of it exactly right now. I will put it down below for you guys, but I believe it was 11 bucks. $8, $11. Really cheap, and I'm really, really excited to show you guys me testing out cheap Amazon makeup overall, specifically eyeshadow. And I'm just going to be doing a look with it, and we're going to be playing around with it. If you guys are interested to see me testing out cheap Amazon makeup, you guys can continue watching my video. Okay, so I went ahead and I set my face, meaning my eyes. I put concealer and powder, and then I put these little band-aids on my eyes. I'm putting band-aids on my eyes. Like, I had band-aids on my eyes in my last video because I don't have tape. I don't have tape, and I don't feel like leaving my house really anywhere. Like, if I don't need to, like, it's not do or die, but next time I go get food or something, I probably will pick up tape. But I have band-aids in my house, so I have band-aids. So it works. It's like the same thing. If not, it's just cuter. Yeah. We're going to be testing out, well, yeah, because you guys are watching with me. So we are testing this out. So we are going to be testing out cheap Amazon makeup. And this is the palette that I am talking about. This one. Can you guys see it? I hope so. This is a pretty big palette. I was just looking through Amazon. I was trying to see if I wanted to buy anything. I had a gift card. And I was like, you know what? Let me look at makeup overall and see. I really wanted to buy like an eyeshadow like palette thing. And I was like, let me try to see like if I can find a cheap Amazon like eyeshadow palette, whatever. And maybe it's good, who knows? And like I say, and I always say this, before you go ahead and buy anything online, for the love of whatever, you know, please, 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 please look at the reviews, okay? Look at the reviews. It can be so, so cheap, and that's awesome. That's great, you know, awesome. But something can be so, so cheap, but you know, like it could be the worst quality ever. And, you know, you never look at the reviews and there's 2 comments and both the comments are shit. Or 2 comments and both the comments are good, but those are the people probably commenting for themselves. Okay, so always look at the reviews. Saw this and I was like, shit, this is cheap. And you get a lot of colors. I like the colors that were on here, okay? And I was like, and this is cheap, but let me look at the reviews. It had really good reviews and stuff. I was playing around with this the past few days a little bit here and there. And I do like the colors. Like the colors, I'm going to say, honestly, they're pretty good, okay? But I'm not going to be using the colors that I have previously used. Reason being, I just want to see if all the, like not all, I'm not obviously going to try all of them, but at least if a few other colors I try that I haven't tried, to see if they're as pigmented, if they shed, if, you know, if anything even goes on. You know, there's so many differences in different eyeshadows, even just in different colors, because each one of these guys here were made individually. So each one of these can possibly have a different outcome. Are they all in the same probably formula? Obviously, it's the same palette, but every color is different. Okay, so I want to just, I'm curious to see if the ones that I didn't use are just as good. And then I can give you guys my honest opinion after I try this out and see if these eyeshadows are good. Then I'm going to say, you know what? Most of these colors are good. You might have a flunk 2 or 3, but overall, they're good. So let's do this. I don't know. I'm trying to come closer on camera. Okay, so obviously, like this one I used. This one I used. This one I used. This one I used. I used quite a few of them. So let's see. Just had to like look at the colors that I really wanted to pick, and I decided which ones I wanted. So I'm obviously going to show you guys exactly what it looks like so you guys can tell that I did not touch this color that I'm picking, I promise you. So I'm going to do like a cute little eyeshadow look, and we'll just kind of go along and we'll see what we end up with. So disclaimer, I'm not going to be talking through how I'm going to do my eyeshadow. This isn't a talk through. This is just a test out. Main thing with eyeshadow is you want to make sure that you have a good pigment, and you really want to kind of try to find an eyeshadow that doesn't shed so much. Shedding means it flaking down here, like the shadow, like the eyeshadow flaking down, like the powder and stuff. So I kind of decided that I'm going to be doing like a gray, kind of green turquoise kind of theme. You'll see what I'm like going with. My transition shade that I'm going to start with is this one. I'm going to bring it really up close so I make sure that you guys can see I did not touch this. This is the gray one. I did not touch this one at all, so I have no idea. I have no idea what to expect. I'm starting with my gray. I'm going to just go in with here, and let's see what it looks like. First impression, this is what it looks like on the brush. It's pretty good pigment, not gonna lie. I'm not upset about it, so let's see. And I have my mirror here so I can look, you know, so I can see what I'm doing. We're gonna put this on the lid. This is what it looks like so far. You guys can see. It's not bad. You definitely get pigment, I want to say. The only thing I noticed is I needed to definitely grab more product. So I feel you do get the pigment out of it, but you have to layer it a little bit more, if I'm being honest. It's definitely not bad. You know, we're going to keep going and we're going to see, you know, if we can get a good look out of it. If not, then sucks. If so, then fuck yeah, you know? So now we're going to go into our crease color. So with my crease color, I definitely want to do, like I told you guys, I want to kind of do like a green turquoise kind of theme thing. I'm going to be doing this color right here. So this really is a turquoise color, and as you guys can tell, I did not use this. It is not, there's no finger marks on it, nothing, but it's this color right here. I honestly picked the green because the green one has the most pigment, you know, after the blue. And I wanted to test it out and see if it's actually good. You know, if it actually has the pigment that it shows, because some products will show so much pigment, but it won't see through. It will like not see through whatsoever on your skin. So first glance on here, has pigment, you know, but like I said, we have to see what it's going to look like on the skin. And then remember, we're doing the crease. I'm really frustrated at the moment. So look. Went ahead and I put the green in my crease. And then I wanted to go ahead and blend it out, and it smudged right off. Like nothing, okay? But we're gonna keep going, and we're gonna see if this is just me or if it's the palette, because I'm not too sure right now, but we will see. We're gonna continue. I'm gonna try to fix this little mess I got going on, and let's see if I can make it better. I hope so. This is just ridiculous. All right, so I kind of finished the crease area a little bit. So this is kind of what it looks like. I layered it up a lot so it would stay. So far what I would give this palette is a 4 out of 10, just because there were some shades that I tried that were super good, but this so far, these colors that I picked, holy shit, this is not good. You guys can tell, like here, like the green, yes, it has color, but it's more of like a patchy green. I don't know how to explain it, but you can just tell that it just doesn't look good. It doesn't look like that luminous pigment that you want. And then here, the gray, where's the pigment? Barely. It just kind of looks dusty to me. That's just my opinion. If I am wrong, comment down below and be like, no girl, it looks good. And I'll be like, okay, thanks. But I really don't think it looks good, like at all. But we're gonna continue. I have one more color that I wanna use. And then we will just see, well, maybe 2 more colors that I wanna use, and then we will just see where this takes us, but I don't think this is taking us anywhere, if I'm being honest. I'm gonna be using this kind of like gold color a little bit right here. I'm using that color on my end right here. The reason I'm doing gold, I just want to see what it's going to look like, honestly. I'm not saying that these are the best color combinations, but these are the main colors that I felt like had some pigment to them, and I wanted to see if it was going to look good. Just do the golds because I kind of want to settle the colors down a little bit. So what I'm doing is I'm going on the end of my eye. So right here. Okay, this one is a little better. Not even gonna lie. The pigment on this one so far is really good. I do want to see how it blends out, because I did notice with these other ones, they did not blend out good. And I will let you guys know what I think about it. So now I'm just going in and I'm blending. I'm going to try to come a little closer just so you guys can see. I'm coming in this area. I'm not upset with it, but I'm not like crazy about it. But you can definitely see the gold, right? But you see how it's patchy? You don't get that full look that you're looking for, really. Like, it's not bad, but it's definitely not, you know, how an eyeshadow should be. So you see, like when I patted it on, it was nice, but after I blended it out, it just kind of turns dusty. I was a little more confident about the gold one, honestly, when I started it out, because the shimmer was a really like luminant shimmer, but it just turned out really dusty. I'm just not happy with it at all. I was kind of going for like a warm turquoise shimmered gold, you know, with a little undertone of gray, but it didn't really go well. So I want to try one more color for the corner of my eye, for the inner corner of my eye. And I'm going to be trying this turquoise, like shimmery turquoise right here. I just want to see how this one's going to turn out. But overall, so far, guys, this palette sucks. Well, I can't say it sucks because the colors I picked right now suck, but the colors that I had were not bad. But obviously this whole palette, no. So you see? And I'm just gonna go in the inner corner of my eye for a last little glitter touch up. Went ahead and I added the colors to the inner corner of my eye. This is what it looks like, but I have not blended yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna blend to see, you know, like how it has with the other ones, to see if it dusts out or if it stays luminous. Because so far, this is my favorite one that I use out of this batch. Honestly, this kind of added like the final touch to it to kind of make it bearable. So I finished blending. This is what it looks like. So that turquoise color honestly did add a little more of oomph to it, like the last like shimmery turquoise that I used did add more of an oomph to it. But overall, what would I give this look? Honestly, give this look a 3 out of 10. I'm not happy with it. The colors suck. They're dusty. Only some of them are pigmented, like the gold, turquoise. So I'm not crazy about this color because I truly believe when you have an eyeshadow palette, most of the colors should be good. And this is not it. I had a few of them that were good and now another handful that were not good. So this eyeshadow palette, I would give it a 4 out of 10, not even a 5 out of 10. I don't think it's worth it. You can buy drugstore makeup that is almost the same price that's even better, like the Wet n Wild NYX eyeshadow palette that I bought for like $8 on Amazon that I have been using. Those are good. This one, not that good. This is my opinion. I hope, you know, you guys enjoyed this video, had a little laugh out of it because it was honestly, it was shit. Let me take these off. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will absolutely see you guys back in my next video and have a great Monday. Bye guys.